I have got some really fun unboxing videos. This is number 2 of 4 unboxing videos. I am Pat Sloan and I got these fun new boxes from the Fat Quarter Shop. Let me show them to you in case you didn't see unboxing 1 yet. Here they are. This is their new shipping boxes, and the shipping boxes come in all different sizes. You never know what size you're going to get because it depends on your order. And they're so cute. They've got little scissors here. I have to show you that up close. I don't think I showed you that in the first one. You see the trim? The trim has little scissors. These are fabulous for storing all your goodies in your studio, like projects. You know, if you need to keep things for a little while, you know, we should be sewing on them, but I know we don't always. So I am going to do box 2, which is the blue one. And I have, I don't know what's in any of these. They just said, we want to send you some goodies. And so I have no idea. So I'm going to unbox what was this say? I can't. Sew in Style. There we go. Sew in Style. Yay, it's the blue box. So if you're a blue person, anytime you get an order in a blue box, you may want to keep this. Let's take a look. What is in the blue box? Ah, the mystery continues. Get it out of there. Oh my goodness. Yay. Ah, fabric. Bundle Up. The autumn edition. These are brand new. Whoops, sorry. These are brand. I'm getting all excited. I'm not even looking to see what I'm doing. These are brand new collections. How do we get these open? Like as a little kid, I was terrible. I was absolutely terrible. I would just rip every single package open so it could never be reused again. Drove my dad nuts. Just absolutely nuts. Okay, here we go. These are gorgeous. These are new curated bundles from Art Gallery. Fabulous. Look at that. I'm gonna have to open. Oh my gosh. Darling mushrooms. And I've used these trees. Actually, it was out, so that's good. They're all gorgeous. These florals are gorgeous. So it's got like a great colorway from Art Gallery. All right. What else is in our box? Let's do this one next. Embroidery scissors. So cute for Christmas. Cute little Christmas embroidery scissors. I love them. You know, I am totally addicted to scissors. Like I can't even tell you. Someday I should write about it, but it's embarrassing. I must have 50 scissors. These are, I don't have these. Now I do. And the new Olfa Endurance blades. These are fantastic. I've been using one of them lately, the Endurance blade, and it is lasting longer. Definitely lasting longer. I love it. Okay. So now there's 2 things I have never seen before. These are new for me to look at. Sew tiles, magnetic sewing pins. Oh, and they're heavy. These are really heavy. Sewing pins for sewing thick materials like leather or cork or pieces that aren't near the edge, like pockets and bags. So, okay, so they're magnets where I'm assuming we put like, you know, 2 together to hold. I have not sewn with cork yet. Have you done that? I was just teaching recently and somebody had cork on their bags, like cotton and cork. It was so cute, cotton and cork. Yeah, so here we go. There are 2 parts. These are fantastic. Look at this. Sort of like those pin keepers people do. It's the same concept, I think, is that it's a very tight magnet. Ooh, very tight. So it's a very tight magnet, and you've got 2 parts. And then what you do is you just, you know, snap them together, and your fabric will be in between, and then you are not pinching it with a pin, or if you, like sometimes the Wonder Clips, that's what I usually use for things like that, for paper piecing. Sometimes that might not be as usable. Okay, and the last thing is a pocket power snips, pen style, compact and sharp. Oh, so it's a snip. So here's it. It looks like a pencil. So that's really nice for putting in your purse because there's no pointy thing. See there? Okay, so we need to open it, don't you think? More scissors. for me, I need to see inside so we can actually open it up. There we go. Okay, so I've got it out, and so here we go. So it has like a slider, see? And then that part slides back and forth. So you can slide it down, so it'd be closed, so it's down. And then when I open it, I slide it up. And it's actually the other half of the handle. Nice. This definitely will go in my project bag because I like that it looks like a pen. You know, that it's not, I don't have to put another, you know, I don't know. It's just super cool. Okay. So the goodies in box number 2, my blue box. I feel like I'm on some, you know, a game show. Yay! What's in the blue box? We got Art Gallery's gorgeous fabric. I got the Olfa, the cute scissors, the magnets, and the Neato pen clipper. I guess it's like a you know, like a little clipper. Anyways, you saw what it was. So I am Pat Sloan. If you're watching this and you want to join my community, come over to Quilt Along with Pat Sloan. And I have 2 more unboxings. And if you missed number 1, I'll have the link to it down here. I will catch you on the next one.